Tired of spam and private calls disturbing you every day? In this video, learn how to instantly block unknown calls on any Android phone using simple built-in settings. Opening the phone app from your home screen or app drawer. Once the app opens, look to the top right corner and tap the More Options icon, usually displayed as 3 vertical dots. From the menu that appears, select Settings to access your call preferences and security options. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap Block Numbers. Depending on your Android version or phone brand, you may also see options like blocked numbers or call blocking. Here, you'll find a feature labeled Block Calls from Unknown Numbers, Block Unknown Private Numbers, or something similar. Turn the toggle switch on to activate the feature. Once enabled, your Android device will automatically block calls from hidden, private, or unidentified numbers before they reach you. This is especially useful for avoiding spam callers, scam attempts, robocalls, and repeated interruptions from unknown contacts. Keep in mind that some important calls from hidden numbers may also be blocked, so check your settings carefully if you're expecting a private call. That's how you stop unknown calls on Android in seconds. Like, comment, and subscribe for more useful mobile tutorials.